Singh on the behalf of RV Global. Today I am going to explain about how to prepare for the NTSE. So now coming to the point, what is NTSE? So it's called a National Talent Search Examination. Basically it was started in somewhere in 1963, but at that time the name was different, it was NTSE. That time National Science Talent Scholarship Scheme. Then slowly its name was changed and now it is NTSE, National Talent Search Examination. What is the purpose of this NTSE? So purpose of NTSE is to sort out the students who have the creative skill. They can think differently, they can apply their brain, and they have the real concept of the something which is happening and what is telling in the books. So as per NCERT, they want to sort out the few students from all over India who can do really good work in the field of education. So it starts with the subject wise class 9th and 10th. It covers both the classes, class 9 and syllabus of both the classes 9th and 10th. So this exam is in two parts, level 1 and level 2. NTSE level 1 is of the state level. So it consists of two papers, MAT and SAT. MAT means mental aptitude test and SAT means scholastic aptitude test. So MAT basically consists of coding, decoding, arrangement, series, number system and something blood relation, these type of things, reasoning, verbal, non-verbal reasoning, all these type of things. So it is one paper consists of 100 marks. Another paper is SAT, scholastic ability test, in which there will be the language test, there will be science, social science and maths. So in English it considers of the mainly the little bit of grammar, antonyms, synonyms and comprehension test, something like this. In the science, physics, chemistry and bio. It covers complete syllabus of class 9th and 10th. So basically CBSE syllabus, or we can say the NCERT books. It covers the complete NCERT books of class 9th and class 10th. As we go for the social science, so it covers history, geography and civics. Everything is included. French Revolution, Industrial Revolution, World Wars and Indian freedom struggle, everything. Same for civics, the Indian Constitution and all these things, democracy, everything is considered. So we have to study the NCERT books thoroughly. Now comes the mathematics part. Mathematics class 9 is starting with the number system and polynomials and everything. And class 10th, the arithmetic progression, quadratic equation, mensuration, everything it covers. So students have to be very cautious and they have to solve each and every questions from the NCERT books at least. State 1, state level, all states and union territory have fixed quotas, like Jharkhand has got around 142 seats, Bihar has got 691 seats all over India. So once they are selected from the state level, then they can appear for the state level 2, the NTSE level stage 2. In stage 2, it's the all India level. The questions will be little tough. In stage 1, questions are little bit easy, and stage 2, it is questions are little tough. So stage 2, again syllabus is same. Only thing, stage 1 there is no negative marking, and stage 2 there is negative marking. So for each question consists of 1 marks. So 1/3 of the marks will be deducted for the wrong answer. So now stage 1, how is the marks distribution? Stage 1, two papers, MAT and SAT, each consists of 100 marks. Stage 2 also same, each consists of 100 marks. So basically it is exam of 200 marks stage 1 and 200 marks stage 2. So a time is given of the 3 hours. For 200 questions you have got the 3 hours, so less than 1 minute. So you have to speed up also. So with the concept you have to get your speed, so it needs lots of practice also. So with this I hope we can do, once you clear the stage 1, you can appear for the stage 2. Only students who can appear for the stage 2 who can clear the stage 1. They will only get the admit card. After that there will be the final interview in Delhi, and on that basis the merit list is prepared, and on the basis of merit list 200 top students are selected and they are given the certificate, national level certificate by the government of India, which is basically conducted by NCERT, and they get the scholarship of certain amount every month. So once you clear the exam in class 11th and 12th, you will get 1250 rupees per month. In UG and PG, means in graduation and postgraduate level, you will get 2000 rupees per month. And in PhD, or you can say the doctorate, once you do the doctorate, it is not by the NCERT, it is by the UGC, University Grant Commission, but you will get the scholarship. So the whole thing is that the NTSE is a benchmark for your crucial thinking, critical thinking, or your mental testing. Once you clear this one, you have got very bright chance of doing better in your education system. So till now it has been seen the most of the students who clear the IIT or any other exams who appear in NTSE, most of them get through it. Some might not have appeared, but this is the thing which tests everything. So mental, they give more focus on the mental ability, because it is the thing which gives your critical thinking. How do you think something about it? And creative, how is your creative skill? So mental ability is the main part. 50% marks for the mental ability. So mental ability does not need a memory power or something listening. It's the instant test of this one. So you have to be very cautious about it. Once you clear through it, you will get good confidence, and for further exams you will have lots of confidence. Even this certificate is going to help you in any interview like SSC interview or the UPSC or BPSC, JPSC, any India level or state level competition you have qualified in the NTSE, they give preference also. So this is the thing. Once you start preparing, you have to be very thorough. So about this, my suggestion is, first have the good textbook of class 9th and 10th, including NCERT books, and read it thoroughly with the help of one good guide. You start thoroughly. Once you study this or one chapter, practice lots of questions, minimum 100 to 150 questions practice, same time only, little easy questions, moderate and tough level questions. Once you prepare thoroughly, then you can refer some guide or some on net practice paper, but don't go directly to the NTSE guide or the practice paper, because unless you have read the good textbooks, you are not going to have the good concept and you will never succeed in the NTSE. So anyone who gets through, they will say they followed some NTSE guide or some practice paper from the net, but mind it, they have studied the good textbook under the supervision of good guide, then only they have done the NTSE guide as a practice and online test paper practice. So test paper practice only to speed up and to know your concept or a mistake, but first thing is good textbooks under the supervision of very good guide is going to help you to clear the NTSE. Once you clear the NTSE, you will find you are way ahead of 95% students who are going to appear in any competitive exams. So with this, I'm going to finish my topic of this, and in next video I'm going to explain the complete syllabus of this and how to study each and every topic of this, and then for each and every topic I'm going to prepare the video also. So all the best. God bless.